Welcome. In this video, you are going to understand who can study this Python course that available at Wisdomers and what they are going to achieve after completion of this course. So coming to who can study this course, if you are a first year BTech student, some universities they are going to issue Python course directly in the first semester. So for those universities, and some of the universities they are going to start C programming in the second semester or third semester. They are going to give you Python course. These two type of students can start study Python course at Wisdomers. Now what you are going to achieve after completion of this course? See, we are going to explain complete lab programmings and we are going to provide multiple quizzes so that for better understanding of the concept, after completion of this course, you will have a strong basics about programming concepts. Means object-oriented concepts. You will have a strong basics about object-oriented programming concepts. And you are going to have a good understanding of, means the ground level understanding to move forward for coding skills. Means after completion of this course, you will have a better understanding about base level so that you can start taking placement training level 1 course available at Wisdomers. This is the minimum placement training course required for each and every computer science and computer science allied branches students. This is the minimum course required, because if you want to crack the base level companies like 5 lakh, 6 lakhs packages, these are the minimum skills required. Those skills we are going to discuss here at placement training level 1 playlist. Please check our complete content. You are going to understand, you can study complete computer science here. So these are the achievements you are going to get after completion of this Python course. So you can start study at Wisdomers. You can study complete computer science and computer science allied branches at Wisdomers. Thank you.